How to use the Planner Audit feature. Once you finish creating a plan, the next step is to check that you have included all of your remaining requirements. You may do this by using the Planner Audit feature. The audit feature simulates what your degree audit would look like if you completed the plan you just created. Open your plan and click Audit on the left side. The audit will take every course in your plan and apply it to your degree, so what you would want to see is every red circle replaced by a green or blue symbol. So you'll see these courses, even though they have not been completed, it says plan and it has a blue symbol to indicate that it is included in the plan. Most importantly, you will want to see that minimum credits to complete degree requirements at the very top of your degree audit is checked off. This means you will have at least 120 total credits completed if you follow the plan. This is the minimum needed to graduate. As a heads up, the only requirement you may see not checked off, even if it's in your plan, is the writing competency, taken as English 313 in the major section. As long as ENGL 313 is checked off in your general education section, you may ignore the red circle. If you see any courses listed in your general elective section, at the very bottom where it says fall through, like Gospel, Kingdom, and Culture, Plan Fall 2024, or Literature and Film, Plan Spring 2025, these are courses that are extraneous in your plan and you may delete them if deleting them would still leave at least 120 total credits completed for your degree.